the shape of the data, right? That's why, each curves, right, had a certain pattern that it keeps repeating over and over again, right? And statistically, you can determine if that goes outside of like a couple of standard deviation of that pattern, and that's when you can kind of detect that you have a congruence problem.
That's right.
With your data stream.
Is there any examples in the data sets that we see of like where it's incongruent? That's something that we've checked.
So what you'd find, for example, is as we get a lot of comma separated values without labels out there, is if you start your frac and your data is 1 to 10, you get 10 channels, and for some reason someone decided that 3 and 4 is going to flip. Mm-hmm. Well, all of a sudden, like what your expectation of what the curve should look like is going to become like significantly different than what you're actually going to start getting, and this is when you can flag an incongruent violation essentially, and that kind of triggers our team to kind of get involved with a lot of times like getting with the guys that are running that data source and figure out like what changed,